So the literal meaning of Ramagya is light my inner voice. So listening to your own voice, driving your passion, continuing with the journey, and be or emerge as a successful person in the society. I am Priyanka Singh. I am the founder principal of Ramagya School, Noida Extension. I've been associated with education industry from past 22 years. So Ramagya School has 4 branches. One is in Sector 50, Noida. Other one is in Delta, Greater Noida. And one is in Dadri. And this is the youngest one of Noida Extension. So Ramagya School believes in fostering the environment which is academically driven, and also it looks after the holistic development of the child. And the basic idea behind having and coming this school in this vicinity is the net zero energy concept. And this concept is driven by the sustainability approach, the idea of innovation, and this entire infra of Ramagya School is actually built up in a state-of-art infrastructure if you will look at it. So talking about the USP of Ramagya, so we are coming up with 35 plus sports facilities, out of which football we are running here, and after school academy is also owned by Baichung Bhutia Academy. Then we have our cricket, skating is there, we have taekwondo, the martial arts. We also run a program which is a kid fit program, which is actually for our junior graders. So wherein they are learning how to take instructions on the field, and they how to react, and then they do a lot of activities with all those sporty equipments. So here we have all our smart classes. We have art studio, we have our science labs in place, we have dance studio, we have music labs, we have our theatre classes running here in the school by renowned NSD faculties. We have a well-equipped library that caters to not only for the pre-primary tiny tots, but yes, of course, for the senior ones also. So we have a digital den, which is again a computer lab, wherein we are training our children on latest 21st century skills, technology advancements, and we have a beautiful curriculum of ICT 360 running there.
Hi, I'm Shefali Sharma and I'm admission head here in Noida Extension. I lead the complete entire admission team. I'm really delighted that Extramarks have collaborated with us because it gives basically a support to a child, wherein a child struggles a lot academically in some subjects. Also, I would also say that there are parents who are approaching us after they have heard or learned about that we have joined hands with Extramarks. Being that Extramarks has brilliantly scored great in the market industry, in the education fraternity so far, and we have also seen a lot of improvement in kids here the moment we have collaborated from Extramarks, and there is a stagnant and basically a good growth.
Hello, my name is Hania Chopra. I hold the position of the head girl in Ramagya School, Noida Extension. I study in class 9th Aristotle. My experience has been really great in Ramagya School. I feel that the teachers are really interactive and they really help you out when you're stuck on some project or anything. The Smart World is really making the learning interactive for everybody, I feel, because the animated videos in it and the notes that are really on point, and we don't need to go to the books every time. We just need to read those notes and we'll score good marks.
This school is going to be the best in the vicinity in near future, as we are going to touch all the 21st century skills, which talks of not only social and emotional well-being of the children, but also we are going to give them a lot of training on how to deal with the upcoming scenarios, and training our children on critical thinking concepts, the problem solving attitude, and a lot of social emotional learning that they are coming across in our everyday session of life skills. Every child is a special child, every child has a different way of being handled, and it's very important for us to understand what they actually want, because till the time we will cater to the need of the child, we will be able to do justice to our upcoming generation.